Welcome back, guys. Thank you so much for joining us. Hope you enjoyed season 2 and you've been having fun making some projects with all the tips and tricks from there. Just wanted to get back to you with a little studio tour and of course the giveaway on that piece.
Hey guys, yeah, welcome to the studio. I just wanted to show you around a little bit and let you see what we got going on, and then we'll give that piece away at the end of this video. So come on, follow me, let's get in the studio.
Lead on, Dustin.
All right. So here's the outside of the studio, and then we organized colors and stuff on this bench and then bring that in for the workshops for teachers. Come on in this way.
You know, it's nicer in California where we can just leave things outside like that. Yeah. Lovely weather.
Yeah. So this is the student bench, the guest bench here.
And of course the pieces there. Very nice. That'll be going to one of you guys.
And that's the other one I made in 2010 or so. And then we have the vent hood with all of the wonderful glass artists that have visited me over the years in the different studio.
It's pretty cool seeing all their different signatures up there and all the different artists who've taught over the years.
Yep. This is my station. I'm sure you guys recognize it.
And of course, all the camera gear for the online videos is up.
Yep, and that's for the school and on the torch, and that's how we do it with the lights and stuff.
We made a little more room over there now. No kiln right next to the bench, so there's a little more room for some better camera angles over there too.
Absolutely, we're always working on improving, just like the glass blowing. The video production's a craft as well, so we're always making little adjustments and trying to make it better. There's some tools, my magnetic tool holder over there. I have so many tools.
Look at all those pairs of jacks, so many jacks.
Yep. And then that's the Scut Kiln, the mini. And then this is my lathe that I use, which is a Litton HSJ. It's been in a bunch of videos and workshops and things like that. I really love this one. Then of course we have our water, and this is another lathe. It's a Litton U lathe. It's a really great lathe. I would recommend this one for anybody trying to buy a lathe. This is a really good one. It's a little bit less expensive. I like the bore size, really transportable. So, and then we have this other kiln, one of the other Scuts.
Nice little Scut mini. Something in there maybe?
A little Sherlock, I think.
Oh yeah, I see it back there.
Yep. This is the cold working room and bathroom and stuff. The door was made by Mike Nelson Glass a long time ago for the first location. Let's check it out, come on. Here we have the studio bathroom and mirror.
Always great to have one night right here. Nice to not have to go into the house.
Yep. And then this is the cold working and color storage area. So here's the HVO Pro. And that's been awesome to have in the studio. I love it.
See what pressure we're at here. Ooh yeah, 135, good to go. You got all the concentrators up there for it, all feeding in.
I have extra concentrators because I was luckily able to find them on Craigslist. Pretty inexpensive. So I turn them down so I can get as much purity as I can out of my system. And then we have, this is the color rack where like we're using color and we put it back in the, here to get organized. And then all the color over there. Then some cold working stuff covered up, and audio visual stuff here. And then of course we have our clear glass and colored tubing up there.
Yeah, I got to get on organizing that camera gear now that we have a little more room over here for it.
Yep. And then if you guys want, just take note of here, the hard lines. These are copper hard lines all the way to the oxygen and the propane.
And you can see the propane routes outside there. Of course, you don't want that in the building.
Yep, if possible, you want to keep that outside. All right.
And back in the other part of the studio here, we got Wallene Glass working on the bench here. Working on a marble, I believe, right?
Yeah, I've got a big flower marble plan.
Nice, nice. And of course, Cuddle Assassin's bench over here with the Herbie for all of her drawing. And you can see her stringers and colors all sorted over there too. Very nice. And of course, we got the big kiln.
Yeah, I've been working on making another one of those hanging pieces. This one's going to be all transparent, and I got some other bubbles to go with it. So that'll be cool.
Ooh, yeah, I like that color scheme.
Yeah. So I guess it might be time to give away that piece then.
I think so. It's a pretty good one.
Well, it was hard. It was hard to choose. We had to narrow it down to about 3, and then 2, and then we finally narrowed it down to 1. And this person really is a big supporter of us. Oftentimes the very first person to comment as soon as the video comes out. So to us, it felt like the piece would bring this person a lot of inspiration in their own studio. So Teo Glassworks, thank you so much for being part of the community and for watching the videos and for all the support that you give us. We'd like to ship this to you, and just send me a message on IG or wherever, and we'll get it out to you, and we'll ship the stand. And yeah, thank you so much.
Thanks a ton for commenting, and of course thank you all for your awesome comments. It was great reading through and seeing everyone's inspiration and great ideas for season 3. So Teo, I hope you enjoy that, and hope everyone is ready for some more cool demos coming up.
Yeah, we have a couple of really cool things coming up in the next few weeks, and then we're working on season 3 for you guys. So please, in the comments, let us know what you'd like to see in season 3. Let us know the things that have been helpful and the things that you'd like to see more of, and we'll totally use that as we're building season 3.
Heck yeah, thanks again for joining us, guys, and we'll see you soon.
See you in the next one.